Next, you're going to need to get your business disinfected. After funding is secured, a detailed plan to keep your business clean and keep your workers safe will be assembled for your specific business. Restoration Army will execute the protocol to bring the business into compliance to reopen and stay open, all while keeping their workers and customers safe. Using our proprietary technology, Restoration Army can install a high-tech, one-of-a-kind monitoring system to determine when it's appropriate to deep clean and disinfect your business, making it a turnkey and measurable solution to document the business's effort to be in compliance.